Price action review for gold today is 29th of June 2026. This was my analysis earlier in the day, marking the new day open, where I wanted price to go to, either here or here, and it went lower, and then this became the assumed high of the day, following the principle of open high low close. Then here is when you got an engulfing reaction from an inverted fair value gap right here, and this informed our sells from there, and this is how the sell looked like. So retracement to the premium side of the range, and targeting this order block right here, and I'll explain why that was the target. So this was the entry, and this is now where we had a full TP getting there. So this was TP1, this liquidity resting below here was TP1, and then TP2 at that order block, and that is how we took this trade execution from here all the way to here. So let me remove the reflections. Yeah, so that is the execution. Going to the charts, and this is how the charts look like. So this was new day open, price closing below this level, this week right here, informed me that today was going to be a bearish day, and as a result this was assumed high of the day, following the principle of open high low close. And here is where we have a reaction from the engulfing reaction from this inverted fair value gap that you can see right here. So you can see that, and then from this reaction I plot the range high range low of this engulfing reaction and price retracing to the premium side, and that is where we get an entry. I can use the lower time frame. I think we used the lower time frame. Yes, what about the 1 minute time frame? Seeing if we use, yeah, we did use the 1 minute time frame for confirmation. So I had an RSI divergence, and then I had a market structure shift right here to confirm this divergence after price tapped into this fair value gap, again the inverted fair value gap, and at the closure of that market structure shift is when you got in, and that is how you got that entry, and holding it all the way to this 15-minute bullish order block that is right here. And now I want to explain why we have this TP here instead of this previous day's low. And you can see price was bearish and then moved bullish, giving us market structure shift around here after sweep of liquidity, and then we have a break of structure right here. So this break of structure leaves us with an order block that left a fair value gap here, or what others call breakaway gap right here. So this became my order block, and as I have noticed, gold respects order blocks a lot. So break of structure, then you have an inducement right here, and this inducement is what I believe price would sweep it as it moves towards this order block. So this was my reaction, entry, order block, entry. So from here I'm presuming that price will actually buy and move all the way to the previous day's high. So let's see how that will turn out.